Top 7 Best Hangboards Season. It's time to eat well, hit the gym, and stew about all the projects you didn't send. Number 7. Metolius Rock Rings 3D. Instead of an actual board, the rock rings are two independently suspended holds, with several different grips on each. Given their obvious limitations, the rock rings were never going to turn in a winning score against the full-fledged boards. Portable training device. 2 independent units. Includes comprehensive instructions. Number 6. Metolius Project Limited. This board looks and feels like an abbreviated version of the Simulator 3D. It has a similar gentle curve, and the hold shapes feel just as friendly. It's intuitive, ergonomic, and accessible for almost any climber. The project are still deep. A consistent progression. Biggest draw of the project is price. Number 5. Soil Iron Palm. The Iron Palm has a few singular virtues. The first of these is the slopers. Most climbers don't look to hangboarding to improve on slopers, but for those who do, the Iron Palm has our favorite pair. Instead of the traditional vertical slope, the Iron Palm features 2 large and widely spaced half spheres, which you can grab however you like. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Hangboards or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Metolius Simulator 3D. Instead of a flat base, the architecture of the simulator is gently curved. Hanging beneath the board, you pull in slightly instead of straight down. This is a tad more ergonomic than most hangboards. Along with the simulator's width, it makes for an easy hang. Hold variety is strong, but holds are generally geared to an intermediate audience. Number 3. Moon Fingerboard. Really do mean devilishly hard. I'm a solid 5.12 plus sport climber, and I have to take weight off to use many of the holds on the Moon board. The jugs on this board are in-cut finger jugs, and the slopers could just as reasonably be called crimps. Featuring only 15 holds. It's compact and focused. The price is equally diminutive. Number 2. Metolius Contact, and even a pair of graduated pinches. There's only one pair of slopers, but they're enough to get by. The Contact is likely oriented toward more advanced climbers, but it's friendly enough that almost anyone can hop on. Material, fusion resin. Attachment, screw on. Recommended use, becoming a beast. Number 1. Trango Rock Prodigy Training Center. On constructing an effective training regimen, and the RPTC reflects the systematic mentality. The main edges are variable, gradually growing smaller toward the outside of the board. Small dots at the rear of the hold provide tactile reference points. Finger strength matters. The possibilities are endless. Deep and shallow. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Hangboards or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.